Right, here it is then. This is my MLI plant from the 1960s. And this is working a Leonardo da Vinci wooden helicopter designed in 500 BC. No, it weren't, 500 AD. I better get this started, hang on. There you go. MLI plant. Built for schools and colleges in the 1960s to do various experiments using the power of steam. My experiment today is this model that I built in the week. It took me about an hour to build this model. Still a little bit running in and whatever, so it's a little bit stiff. Steam plant's not struggling, but it's having to work very hard to work this thing. Anyway, I can't remember when it was saying 500 AD, I don't know what I'm talking about really. But anyway, Leonardo da Vinci, artist and inventor of things. And this is one of the famous drawings that he did for a helicopter. His theory was that he thought that air was made of matter, which he was correct, it is. And he thought that this thing could actually screw itself through the air. Wrong. He forgot, or he didn't know, gravity. So this thing would never have got off the ground. But you can see the spiral action there and his idea of thinking with the sails on top there. Call that down a rack and pinion, would you? I don't know. Shed load of steam coming off there. It's working very hard to steam this. So what we got? Stuart ST engine, Stuart boiler, coupled to this Morris Industries steam plant. As I said, in the early 60s, this is what a physics lab would have had running in it to demonstrate small scale experiments. So I just thought this would be a good idea to show you. It would be a way of showing an old invention or type of invention brought to life. Yeah, so I've had my own dynamo unit working off of this with 6 LEDs. This steam plant works very well. slight warp in that table there, but you can't have everything, can you? So it's all just a box of bits of wood, so I've had to put all that lot together. I'm no model maker, not really, but I'm pleased with it. I'm 100% pleased that this tiny little engine can power something so heavy as this. It would have originally been powered in the lab by the old Bunsen burners. So they would just unplug the Bunsen burner, piece of rubber hose, it would go onto, you see it, that piece of pipe there. There's 3 gas jets in there, which I've stripped down, cleaned out. It would actually work if I stuck some natural gas on that. But I'm using bottled gas today and a ceramic burner. Anyway, I think that's good. Really pleased with that. Just going to turn the bottle off. And there we go. That's running down. That's my Leonardo DiCaprio. No, it's not Leonardo DiCaprio, is it? It's Leonardo da Vinci. It's his helicopter design, and you've seen it powered today by steam from the Morris Industries steam plant. Thank you.